At Schneider Electric, we accelerate the decarbonization journey of our customers, offering an exclusive end-to-end service portfolio. Let me tell you how in 60 seconds. First, our consultants provide advice on sustainability strategy, energy procurement, and cybersecurity. They perform on-site assessments to help our customers improve the safety conditions for operators and processes, or even digitize their single-line diagram thanks to electrical digital twin. Second, on-demand services. With 30 years of experience, our global community of passionate field service representatives perform installation, break fix, manufacturer diagnosis, and modernization. Third, service plans. Our service plan allows priority access to these field engineers, as well as 24/7 remote support. Our EcoStructure platform enables continuous monitoring, advanced analytics, and experts' recommendations. Less electrical failure risk, longer asset lifespan, and focused maintenance strategy. This is your journey with Schneider Electric Services in 60 seconds.